How to get Spendee Premium. Are you guys facing issues to get premium on Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the Spendee app, now look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see this more icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on upgrade now. You are looking to upgrade it to premium, right? Now tap on the first option with 7 days free trial. After you click on it, now double click on your power button. As soon as you verify your Face ID, you need to fill up all your card detail, your number and CVV number. Once you fill up all these details, tap on done. As soon as you click on done, your transaction process will be completed. As soon as you complete it, your premium will be added. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to add Spendee Premium on Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.